Hi, I'm Jim Kollar, National Sales Manager with Canfield Connector, division of Canfield Industries. We've been around since 1977 and have a lot of new things we'd like to show you here in our surface mount division. I'd like to introduce Tom Golick. Tom's been with us for 20 years.
Hi, everybody.
Tom's been running this division from inception, well, the last 20 years anyhow. Yes. All in this room, this allows us to compete with the offshore people. We are using all surface mount machines. This new line, we have about $1 million into it. There is a 14 head surface mount machine that's picking up 14 parts per shot and place them on boards. We all RoHS throughout here, so all lead free. So we meet all the RoHS parameters. We're also an ISO certified facility. So Tom, why don't you show us how we make boards and what we're making here. This is one of our DIN connector boards. So right here is a panel of 25 different ISO Form-A DIN connectors. They are lighted with surge suppression, as you can see. So they're double-sided board, and Tom will explain how our ovens work and how parts don't fall off the board as they go through.
All right. First process is you grab your raw PCB board.
And we're
going to run it through our paste machine. So
these machines are automated and conveyor fed and will run without people feeding them.
So right now it's placing paste on top. Once it comes out of the machine, it goes through our other machines here. Okay, so what it's doing now is it's actually picking up parts and placing the components on the boards that we just ran through our paste machine. This is a 14 head machine. It's a Panasonic. It's really efficient. It takes care of all our in-house needs.
All of the inventory for the machines is carries right on these carriers with the machine. So Tom just rolls up what he's going to run and enters the menu and off and running. There's a finished board. From there, we'll need to take it to the oven. We'll place it through the oven. Again, this is a RoHS oven, so it'll actually, on two-sided boards like this one, it'll keep the bottom part, if there was pins on the bottom of that one, so it'll cool it, and the top part is heated up to 500 plus degrees for the tin, and none of the bottom parts will fall off. So we had to invest in all new machines with the RoHS standards being out due to the higher temps. So that is a board going through. Again, these will get scored and made into individual DIN connectors, but whatever the program you guys need, whether it's DIN connectors, timers, anything, Bluetooth enabled timers and boards, we could do it all. We do it all right here in-house. I think most of our customers don't understand the fact that we make all these surface mount boards in-house, that we're not just buying things, we are doing everything here. We have, like I said, a $2 million investment that is keeping us competing with our competitors. As we walk up through here, we just have inventory of boards and more panels of product. There's rooms full of clean room environments, keeping inventory safe. And from there, these goes back to our injection molding department. We populate them with the wire, any length you want. We overmold them to an IP67 DIN style Form-A connector, and they're off to you guys within a day. Again, I'm Jim Kollar with Canfield Connector. We can get us on our website at canfieldconnector.com or call me at 330-550-3713. Thank you.